Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to talk with you about how you can earn money on YouTube without making any videos. And actually I'm going to save your time to prevent you to doing things where you cannot simply succeed. How many times you see that people go on YouTube and tell you just type relaxing music and you will get results with tons of views. Let me show you like this, where people earn a lot of money. And I agree, when you check this, for example, relaxing sleep music have 241 millions of views. Sleep music have 156 million of views. This study music alpha waves have 152 millions of views. And let's go even deeper. So this channel here, it's called Soothing Relaxation, and this channel ID we will copy it here and we will put in Social Blade to see actually how many views they have and how much money they earn. So they say that estimate yearly earn is $250 to $4 million and monthly from $20 to $342,000 of dollars. And I'm sure when you compare these numbers of video views, how many views they have per day to almost 3 million daily, it's amazing comparing how much money they actually potentially earn daily. So when you see in this column, you will see that daily they earn between $700 and $11,000. And all this looks perfect. And then you will get one very easy advice. Simply go somewhere and find a website like Pexel and make something like nature in search. And simply search for video where you can see some ambiental or any kind of video. It's free to use, of course, because you have option here for free download. You can download it. You can collect several this kind of video, for example, these waterfalls or things like that, and you can put it on your computer, use it, and you can simply go on YouTube and you can use audio library to put it on your video, mix it, publish, and you will get millions. Not. Because if it's like that, everyone will earn tons of and millions of dollars daily that these things actually works. People who tell you to do this actually never try to make something like this. I did, and I can tell you exactly what will happen. With my channel, I reach 4,000 hours of views and I reach over 1,000 subscribers. Everything organically using the same guidelines how they told you. To make only videos about relaxing music, water sounds, some kind of effects where people can relax listening this because they have need to listen that. Some people cannot fall asleep until they can hear sound of the rain or any other crap like that. And maybe from psychological way this actually works, but from YouTube way this actually does not works. And answer is actually super clear. Which value you give to potential viewers what somebody didn't give already before you? I think it's super clear. So what does it mean? That means that there will be so many naive people who will do exactly the same thing like you here right now. Go and make some relaxing ambiental sounds and put them on YouTube and make 100 of videos, put them on your channel, collect subscribers, collect views, and you will get rich. You won't get rich, trust me. You won't even get monetized. And I will show you why. I did it, and what I get here is very simple explanation. And they say like this. You put on YouTube reuse content. So that means that footage of ambiental waterfalls, nature, rain, whatever, so many people's already used before you. And YouTube say extremely clear, Channel uses someone else's content without making changes that add significant value. So that means you make crappy video with some sound effect in it, and value you give to customers is the same like 100,000 people did in the same way like you. Do you understand? So you will simply waste your time. And that I explain you what I'm talking about. You can see here. I reach 1,170 subscribers and I reach over 4,000 watching hours on my channel. But I get rejection from YouTube because I use something what so many people used before me. And this method, put something on YouTube without effort, just copy paste, add some value, blah blah, whatever, and get fortune overnight, simply does not work. YouTube is creator website. They expect from you to be creative. You can reuse some other people's content, it's allowed, but you need to put commentary, you need to put some value add on that, you need to give some, like they say here, extremely clear, significant value. If you just download, put some music, even monetizable music from the library on existing footage what somebody already did thousands of times before you, you won't get monetized. So music is very icy area on YouTube. Even if we speak about sound effects or ambiental sounds or things like that, because sounds like that will be monetized for people who start to do this first, and they came on YouTube to offer someone relaxing music. But so many people after them start to copy what they're doing, and that people after them just reuse the same thing what first people who providing that kind of music start to do on YouTube. So don't waste your time, because it's simply impossible to monetize content like this. This is something what I call that somebody is selling you dream. It's impossible to make nothing and get money for it. It's simply impossible. So when you see things like search for relaxing music, search for relaxing piano music, you need to understand that this is something what you cannot monetize. And when you see 5 years ago, 2 years ago, 4 years ago, it's something what people make super long time ago, and they were first. So they are able to start to monetize this. And if you simply come and you simply look what I say here, even if you have permission, so if you have from some artists their permission to use content, collections of songs, if you have that permission, you cannot monetize that. You need to understand that you cannot monetize music on YouTube so easily unless you start to do that so many years ago. So please, if you want to be successful on YouTube, you can earn money on different way. You can use, for example, you can go here on Pexel and you can use some term called happy people. And you can use this footage, what you will get in search results. You can download it. For example, this is video what you can get here. You can download it and play it, and you can put some commentary over this, and under that you can promote some affiliate product. You can promote something what you can make people to click on it, and you can earn money from that. But to monetize something what's not your original created work, it's almost impossible. Trust me. YouTube is the biggest, together with Google, artificial intelligence, and they can recognize any reuse content. If not today, they will recognize it for a week or a month, but all the time they checking in background and checking, is your content something what have significant value for viewers, and you need to accept that. There is no easy way copy footage, put music and earn money on YouTube. It's something what does not exist, and you need to accept that. It simply does not exist. Unless you start to go in some direction and niche what no one ever do before you. But I think that's not possible. So if you want to start to earn on YouTube, you need to produce original content, you need to give value to that content, and you need to reach audience with something what they are looking for. There is no other way. I'm sorry.